why didn't you apologize to Chris in your acceptance speech? I was fogged out by that point. It's all fuzzy. I've reached out to Chris, and the message that came back is that he's not ready to talk, and when he is, he will reach
Hey, what's
out.
up, YouTube? I had a question. Did you get a chance to see the Will Smith apology to Chris Rock? What'd you think about it? Did you think it was real? Was it sincere? I think it was. I really, think that the apology was definitely real. He seems sincere. He seems to finally get the gravity of, what happened, what he did, and all the people that he were affected by. He apologized to Chris Rock's mom. He apologized to his brother, his family. It seems that finally he knows, the toll of exactly what happened. I know people probably wanted to hear him say things about Jada. He didn't get into that, like saying it's her fault or anything like that. But what do you expect? But to me, it was sincere. I like to know what you think. So, let me know in the comments what you think. And if it wasn't, we'll talk about that too. All right? Remember, let's do better.